Hi guys, welcome to Mystic Games. Today we're going to be cracking a box of the brand new Legendary Duelist, Duels From the Deep. This set includes support for the Marincess archetype and for the Shark archetype. It also includes a very sought after reprint of Forbidden Droplets. So this booster box contains 36 packs, which is slightly different to a regular booster box. And the packs are only 5 cards rather than the regular 9. So let's open it up and see. "36 booster packs featuring classic anime character Mako Tsunami. So let's get started. Pack number 1. So first of all we have Marincess Battle Ocean, Rank Up Magic the 7th one, Citadel Whale, Full Armoured Black Ray Lancer, and our first potential rare is Karyu Shin's Dark Reef. Fair play, fair play. Right. Okay, so in this pack we have Buzzsaw Shark, Sea Stealth Attack, Fury of Karyu Shin, number C101 Silent Honor Dark, and our rare is Marincess Circulation, which I believe is a new card. Very cool, very cool. Right. Okay, so we've got Saber Shark, Marincess Wave, which is a good reprint, Silent Angler, and one of the ultra rares, Marincess Aqua Argonaut. This card is very powerful. It's a spell and trap negate for a deck that really needs spells and traps to be negated, so fairly good, and I will actually be using this myself. And a copy of Bahamut Shark, which is also another nice reprint. Moving on, we've got the Legendary Fisherman, which is a classic reprint. Torrential Tribute, which again, everyone always needs. Rage of Karyu Shin, which I believe is a new card. Yep. And C101 Honor Dark again, and our rare is Marincess Coral Anemone, which is a very playable card. The Legendary Fisherman number 2. The Legendary Fisherman number 3. Fair enough. Lemuria, the Forgotten City, which I believe is another new card. Yep. Cyber Shark, and our rare, Dark Reef again. Okay. Black Ray Lancer. Xyz Remora, which I think is a reprint. I'm not too sure on that. It's a pretty powerful fish. Torrential Tribute. Naash Knight, which is a new card. Yeah, looks pretty cool. And Double Fin Shark as our rare. Cool. Okay. Marincess Blue Tang, a very important card for the Marincess archetype, and Marincess Seahorse, also a very important card. Followed up with Marincess Wonderheart, another important card. Rank Up Magic Quick Chaos, and our rare, Marincess Bubble Ring, which again, I think is a new card. Very cool, very cool. Moving on, we've got Marincess Sea Angel, Fisherman number 2, Frostosaurus, which I don't understand why this has been reprinted, but fair enough. Marincess Marbled Rock. It's weird to see that in a common rarity, but we've got Coral Anemone again. Silent on a Dark, Blue Tang, Quick Chaos, Seahorse, and Double Fin Shark as our rare again. Okay, Fury of Karyushin, the Torrential Tribute Searcher, pretty cool. Black Ray Lancer, Rank Up Magic, and we've pulled a Forbidden Droplet, which pays for the box. Fairly happy with that. I don't know if that's a good shot or not. It's pretty cool. Weird to see this card in Ultra Rare, as it has only been available in Secret and Ultimate, so that's quite nice. And our rare, 7th Eternity. Cool, let's get a sleeve for that. Okay. Nice. Moving on. Okay. Saber Shark. Number 71, Ribarian Shark. Don't know that I've ever seen this card. It's probably from the anime at some point. Lemuria, Cyber Shark, and Sea Stealth number 2. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Sea Angel, Frostosaurus, Rage of Karyushin, Fury of Karyushin, and Karyushin's Dark Reef. It's all about him today. Okay. Blue Tang, Buzzsaw, Sea Stealth Attack, Crystal Shark as our rare, as our super rare actually, and our rare Marincess Bubble. Okay, we've got the Battle Ocean, Xyz Remora, Legendary Fisherman, Ribarian Shark again, and Marincess Circulation. Cool. Cyber Shark, Rank Up Magic, Quick Chaos, Saber Shark, Marbled Rock, and another Dark Reef. I think we've got 4 of those now. Maybe 3. Maybe 3. Okay. Another Blue Tang, Buzzsaw Shark, Citadel Whale, Battle Ocean, and Sleepy Maiden, which is a card I personally need. So I'm happy with that. Cool, next pack. Rank Up Magic, Torrential Tribute, Lemuria, Marincess Pascalus, and Sea Stealth number 2. Yes, you burn through these packs quite quickly with only 5 cards. Okay. Marincess Wanderheart, Legendary Fisherman number 3, Buzzsaw Shark, ooh, Abyss Shark as another ultra rare. This card's pretty good. Yep, it's a nice free special summon, and it puts you into really nice Xyz plays, so pretty cool. And 7th Eternity is our rare. I'll just put that in a sleeve. Moving on. Okay, we've got Xyz Remora, Silent Angler, Ribarian Shark, Cyber Shark, and a Bubble Ring again. Ribarian Shark again, Marincess Wave, Lemuria, Barion's Chaos Straw, which I believe is a new card, something from the anime by the looks of it, and Marincess Bubble Ring. the Legendary Fisherman number 3, Sea Stealth Attack, Rank Up Magic Quick Chaos, Doom Kraken, which is a brand new card, Umi support, very cool, and a copy of Bahamut Shark, which is always nice. Okay, Saber Shark, Torrential Tribute, Xyz Remora, Ocean Dragon Lord Kyryu Shin. There he is. This is a very nice new card. Can be quite difficult for opponents to deal with, so pretty cool. And a reprint of Leviathan Dragon Daedalus, which is a pretty damn old card now. Let's get sleeve for this one. Cool. So I have a feeling there aren't any more ultra rares to be found in these packs, but you never know. I think it's 4, it might be 5 in Legendary Duelist, but we shall see. So we've got Pascalis, Black Ray Lancer, Fisherman 3, Fisherman 2, and Sea Stealth 2. Okay. Rebarian Shark, Seahorse, Lemuria, Pascalis, and Bubble Ring. Fury of Kyryu Shin, Blue Tang, Battle Ocean, Electric Jellyfish is our super rare. Quite cool. I think this is also a new card. And Seventh Eternity. Okay. We've got a Sea Angel, Rank Up Magic, Rage of Kyryu Shin, Marincess Wonderheart, and for our rare, Double Fin Shark. C101 Silent Honor Dark, Rebarian Shark, Marincess Wave, Citadel Whale, and our rare, Daedalus again. Frostosaurus, Silent Angler, Blue Tang, Crystal Heart, and another Sleepy Maiden. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Marbled Rock, Cyber Shark, Torrential Tribute, Rage of Kyryu Shin, and the rare, Seventh Eternity. Legendary Fisherman, Xyz Remora, Marincess Wave, Mega Fortress Whale. Very cool. That art is awesome. Check that out. How's that? Pretty cool. Okay, sweet. And a coral anemone. Let's look for that. Okay, let's keep going. Saber Shark, Pascalis, Crystal Heart, Marincess Springale, another card that I need personally, so I'm quite happy with that. And then a Bubble Ring. Okay, we've got a Wonderheart, Citadel Whale, Buzzsaw Shark, Battle Ocean, and Daedalus. Oops, Daedalus. Okay. Lemuria, Fisherman number 2, Frostosaurus, Marbled Rock, and another Sleepy Maiden. Saber Shark, Crystal Heart, Quick Chaos Rank Up Magic, Fisherman number 3, and Dark Reef. Okay, down to the last 2 packs. Unlikely that we pull another ultra rare, but you never know. You never know. Silent Angler, Buzzsaw Shark, Maritza Sea Angel, Legendary Fisherman, and Double Fin Shark. Final pack now. Okay. So, Sea Stealth Attack, Marbled Rock, Pascalis, and this is our last chance at an ultra rare, I believe. Giant Hand reprint. Nope, no more ultra rares. But that's cool. So from our 1 booster box, we opened 5 ultra rares, 3 of which are incredibly playable. These 2 have rogue potential, so overall, solid box. Quite happy with that. Yeah.